What is up, everybody? My name is Lucas. I'm going to do a quick unboxing video of the Arpha Smart Lock. This is the D280 version, and this thing is super awesome. I've seen pictures. I can't wait to open it up. So here we go. And it looks like on the top of the box we've got the directions. Open them up here. They are super detailed. I mean, look at that. They show you exactly where to go, what piece to use, and this looks like a template for your door. This is much needed because if you're someone like me who's not crazy handy, who doesn't exactly know what they're doing, it gives you all of the measuring, where to drill, how to actually put the lock in. This is crucial. Okay, so here looks like we have the actual fingerprint and the passcode lock side from the outside. So if you get a close-up on that, man, this feels rugged and good quality. And even like the black color with the gold lining on here, it is very, very high quality, very well built. Has a little USB-C here at the bottom to do any programming or anything. So we're gonna put that to the side. Man, that feels really, really good. And then the other main piece right here will be the other side of the door. And look at that. Look at that. That's gonna look so good on your door. Like, that's gonna be perfect. Has the rubber grip here, to make sure it protects you on your door, no scratches or anything like that. Let's see what else we got here. We have the actual keys, because you know what? Batteries they actually die. These keys will actually work on this lock, just in case your batteries do die and you kind of a last ditch effort there. And then these are all the little pieces that you need. And that's, all right, last piece here. Looks like it's the actual lock, and look at that. Super high quality, comes with all the little screws, all of the pieces that you need to actually get this thing installed. And the reason I bought this is because I need it for my studio. I've got multiple people coming in and out now, and I don't want to have a lot of keys. I don't want to have a lot of equipment laying around. So it's better to have a passcoded door. That just makes the most sense. So again, check this out one last time. The build quality is insane. I would pick one of these up today, or multiple if you need them in your house, if you need them for the outside of your house. So it is currently locked. You can use the standard passcode that it comes with. Hit unlock. Look at that, and you're good to go. And if it's a little crooked like that, you just need to loosen it up, and you can there's also an iPhone app that you can get to go along with it. It's really, very, really, really cool. It's called the Tuya Smart app, and you can actually add the device inside the app, create passwords, do fingerprints. You can do everything. So this thing's awesome. I love it. It's easy to set up, just as you saw. Like, it literally took me about 6 or 7 minutes to get installed. No time at all. Get one today because they're awesome.